Okay, now you're ready. Start by taking a piece of tape, laying it out flat. Anchor the tennis balls onto the sticky side and wrap the tape around the tennis balls lengthways, turning the balls around as you go to start to cover up all of the yellow. Then you're going to take two individual pieces of tape, wrap them around each tennis ball, pressing the tape down as you go, making it nice and smooth. Then you're going to make two thinner bits of tape by stripping it down the middle. This is going to go in between the tennis balls. Wrap it round the gap in between the tennis balls, pinching it in slightly as you go. So you start to make an indentation between the tennis balls. And there you go. Easy as that, you've made your very own massage ball. If you don't have any duct tape, you can always use a sock, but you will find that the tennis balls move around a bit inside.